Hello students. So as we have discussed already the parts of fruit. Okay. So today I will show you the different parts of a fruit by using an apple. Okay. So why I am using apple means it is clearly visible in apple. I can show you the parts. Any other fruits also you can take and you can examine by yourself. So here today we will dissect an apple and we will see the different parts of an apple. Okay. So at first, to show you the different parts of an apple, at first I am cutting the apple from the middle. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the apple, the cut piece of apple. Okay. So you can see, if we will see an apple, we can examine very clearly the parts of a fruit. The first part or the cover of the apple, you can see this is somehow little reddish in color. Okay, reddish yellow in color. This part is the fruit coat. Okay, this is the coat or this is the cover of the apple. We call this as epicarp. Okay, already we have discussed this thing. So this is the fruit cover or we call it as fruit coat. Okay, slightly I am peeling it out. Okay, to show you. Small piece of epicarp I have taken. Okay, so this is the outer covering of fruit which protects the fruit from external environment, and this is the fruit cover or we call it as epicarp. Okay, so down to the epicarp you can see the whitish fleshy part. Okay, which we generally take it as a food. Okay, so this whitish fleshy part we call it as mesocarp. Okay, down to epicarp, down to fruit coat, we got a fleshy part, we call it as mesocarp. And what is the work of mesocarp? It provides nourishment to seed. Okay, as I have discussed, as I told already, epicarp is the fruit coat which protects the fruit, and mesocarp is the part which stores the reserve food material for the growing seed. Okay, down to the mesocarp you can see, yes, I am using the knife to show you better. Down to the mesocarp you can see just below the seed. I have taken out the seed. Okay, just see this part. Okay, slowly I am taking out. Okay, let's, yeah. So can you see this part? This rounded structure? I am slowly taking it out. Do this slowly, okay, so that you can examine better. So here you can see the seed is inside a cover, okay, which is not actually fleshy. It is inside a cover. Can you see this covering? Yes, this is the cover where the seed is present. This cover is called what? Seed coat or seed covering. The outer one we call it as epicarp. This fleshy part we call it as mesocarp, and the seed covering we call it as endocarp. Okay. Here also in this part also you can see. Okay. I have already taken out the seed. Here the part where the seed is present. Okay. Wait. Slowly I am taking it out. The part where the seed is present, yes, like this portion, this is the endocarp. Endocarp is the protective layer over what? Over the seed. In this portion of the apple also you can see clearly. Okay, this part where it covers the seed we call it as endocarp. Okay, see here seed is inside. Okay, how much inside it is. Okay, so this is the what? Endocarp. So again I am repeating, the outermost layer which protects the fruit we call it as epicarp. The middle one or the fleshy part we call it as mesocarp. And down to the mesocarp we can see there is a covering. we call it as what? Endocarp. Endocarp is the protective covering of seed, and down to the endocarp you can see inside that a seed is present. Okay, down to the endocarp, yes, this is the seed. Okay, see how protectively the seed is present inside the endocarp. So this is the part of a fruit. You can see, you can also examine in mango, you can also examine in lychee, any other fruit you can examine. And remember, already we have discussed about dry fruit and fleshy fruit. Okay, so this is a fleshy fruit because here we got the fleshy mesocarp. But if we will take a pea or if we will take a groundnut or a walnut, we will not get this fleshy part. Okay, so that kind of fruit we can call it as dry fruit. This is the what? Fleshy fruit, and that kind of fruit we call it what? Dry fruit, where the mesocarp is totally consumed by the seed. Okay, so here we can examine, you can also examine by yourself the parts of the fruit: epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp. Endocarp is the, when you will examine by yourself, then you can get it clearly. Okay, endocarp is the what? Seed coat, the covering of seed. Okay, you can see this also. Okay, this is the covering of seed. After endocarp we got seeds. Okay, so these are the seeds we got. Okay, so this is the parts of fruit. Again go through it, again find out by yourself. Apple, you can take apple, this will be better to examine. Okay, rather taking any other fruit, in apple you can see clearly, or in mango also you can see clearly. So different parts you examine and be clear, go through again. Okay, so next part again we will see on next video.